At the expos, in any of the activities, you see happy children because they are excited to share with their parent everything that they learned. You have parents who don't just come, they might bring grandma, granddad, and then the teachers are very happy because, you know, for them, it's a culmination of the hard work that they put into to ensure that the learning that they're doing is quality. So it's even their final piece of, this is where I've been leading your child throughout this unit, and this is the end piece. And please enjoy all of the hard work that they've done. So all of the learning that we do here, it may look a bit disjointed because it's like you're going on the field work, now you have somebody coming in and talking to you, but then when you see the end product from a kindergarten to a kindergartner or even a fourth grade student on what they were able to produce themselves, then all of it clicks and then makes sense. Like, okay, now I understand why you're going on so many field works. Now I understand why you're using class time to have an expert come in and talk to us. At the end, it really does make a lot of sense.